Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Zapan app. So let's get started. So basically, Zapan app is a camera app. So I will just open the Zapan app. Okay. So here you will just accept the policy. Then here it will take some time. Just click on here, give the confirmation. Okay, so here you will just search for the Zapan. So here we have the Zapan camera. Just enable. Okay. So from here you can just record and click the photo using your Zapan camera app. You can like do the filter things also as well from here. Okay, so it's basically this app is for Japanese people, Japanese skin. So by this way you can just use it, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.